Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand the use of if-then-else conditional statement in Basic 256. Why do we use if-then-else conditional statement? In certain situations we need to take decisions on the basis of some conditions. In that case we use if-then-else statement. For an example, this is a road, we go through this road. We are here, we need to take decision which road is to be chosen, road 1 or road 2. If we want to go home, we choose road 1. If we want to go market, we choose road 2. Let's see another example. Here are two numbers A and B. Which number is greater from A and B? Here condition is A is greater than B. If this condition is true, A is greater number. If this condition is false, B is greater number. Let's see the code in Basic 256. Write CLS to clear all screen. Write input to take input of first value. Input, enter the number, write the variable name A. Write input to take input of the second value. Input, enter the number, write the variable name B. Now write if then else statement. Syntax for if then else statement is write if and write the condition in bracket. A is greater than B, then print A is the greatest number. If this condition is true, it will print it. Else print B is the greatest number. Write and if to close the if statement and write and the last statement to close the program. Click on run, otherwise click on F5. Enter the first number, enter the second number. A is the greater number because 330 is greater than 120. Now let's see how this program works. First input the two numbers A and B to compare. If A is greater than B, print A is the greater number, else print B is the greater number. If this condition is true, it will execute this statement. If this condition is false, it will execute this statement. Thank you.